So just as soon as I started the video on tilling the garden, the garden tractor shut off. And I wanted to talk about something that most folks don't use anymore. This is a sandblaster, and it actually cleans spark plugs. You hook it up to your air compressor, and then it's got a rubber gasket that the spark plug fits into. The spark plug is terribly nasty. I'm going to show a picture of what it looked like before. And what you do is you just hold the button and kind of twist the spark plug. And what you usually end up with is a spark plug that looks pretty clean like that. I usually take my air nozzle and blow all the sand out of it afterwards. You see, you've got a pretty clean spark plug. So we're going to put that spark plug back in and see if it starts. So the spark plug this lawnmower uses is a Champion H10C, and it's actually the same spark plug that goes in like a LA tractor like we have. And we're going to see if it starts now. Takes a 13/16 socket and just a little snug. What I actually found was the spark plug wire, that end had kind of got spread out. And what I did, I took a pair of needle nose pliers and made it where it fit the spark plug a lot better. And it should start now.